Hi everyone, we're in Croix-de-Vie, so we're having a walk around town. I hope you enjoy it. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. The Vendée is a beautiful area. We'll go for a walk up to the church and check it out inside. Have a walk around the old town where the restaurants are, and then we'll walk up to the new high street where there's lots of shops. At the moment we're just walking around the harbour, completing an adventure lab that we have begun. They are a bit hit and miss because they are sequential.
Hello and welcome as you join us today as we take another walk in the Vendée area of France. So we are visiting a place called Saint-Gilles-Croix-de-Vie. This is in the Bay of Biscay. It's a beautiful area. So this is going to be a two-part upload, everyone. So first part, we will be parking in this car park here in the southern part of town, and we're walking along to the seafront. This is a fantastic area for restaurants along the coastline, and there's a lot of surfing. We'll be then making our way back across the bridge up to where the arcades are and the fun fair, up into the old part of town, and we'll have a little bit of exploring here. There's a church here that we'll visit briefly. We'll then head up to the Rue Goutte, cross the bridge, and then we will end it here, part 1, in this section here, and then we'll return in part 2, and we'll head around the harbour, and then we will head back into the town centre. We will visit this church, Église Saint-Croix, beautiful church, which is right in the town centre, and then we'll head down the main street there, the Charles de Gaulle, General de Gaulle. So enjoy, everyone.
Where's the steps?
Yeah, these are the steps.
Huh?
These are the
No,
steps.
we said the steps. You have them where they
Yeah. It's on the steps somehow.
Let's try.
No. I bite you.
Let me try. You're not going to do it, you know. Oh, I'm going to stroke him. Few euros. I don't
Church, there's a brick, and the brick is actually written upside. It's actually part of another brick, and it's upside down writing. It's fascinating.
It's got one seat.
One seat, yeah? No with passengers on this one.
Good try.
No. I bite you.
Let me try. You're not going to do it if you don't. Oh, I'm going to stroke him.
While in France, I've seen plenty of pizza vending machines, but this was the first time I'd ever seen a baguette vending machine. Have you ever tried one? I hope you enjoyed this part today. Please remember to check out the playlist and look out for part 2 of this walk.